Hello everyone, so here I will explain the quotient rule. Alright, we know that if we have, for example, 2 to the 5 and we divide it with 2 to the 3, so we have the same base. That means their base is 2, right? So it's 2 to the 5th divided by 2 to the 3. The answer is 2 raised to the power of 2. That is because we subtracted 5 minus 3, and that is 2. So, and then we copy the base 2. We copy the base 2. So, it's 2 squared. The answer is 2 squared, right? And why is it like that? Why do we subtract 5 and 3? Why do we subtract 5 minus 3? For the final answer of 2. So it's actually something like this. So we expand it like this. So this is 2 to the 5th, right? So 2 to the 5th is actually 2 multiplied to itself 5 times. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then we divide it by 2 to the 3, or we multiply 2 3 times. We multiply 2 to itself 3 times. So it's 2 times 2 times 2, right? And what happens there? We can actually cancel some of those 2's, right? We cancel out 2's from the numerator and 2's from the denominator. So let's try canceling them out, right? So we cancel one of these 2's to here, and this one as well, and this one as well. So what is left is actually these 2 2's, right? 2 times 2 is left, right? So what is left is 2 times 2, or 2 squared, right? So it is 2 squared. What is left is 2 squared. So when you divide like bases, you subtract the exponent, the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. So if you are given with something like this, they are of the same base, the base is 2, and what you will do, according to the quotient rule, is you subtract the exponent. So it would be 2, that's the base, and 5 minus 3. So the numerator exponent minus the denominator exponent, which is 3. And the answer would be 2 squared. So that is why the quotient rule always works. All right? You can use the quotient rule if the base is the same. It doesn't have to be 2. It could be 3 or 4, for as long as the base of the numerator is the same as the base of the denominator. Then what you can do is subtract the exponents, the exponent of the numerator minus the exponent of the denominator. So this is why the quotient rule, the exponents are subtracted. All right? If you have questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this would explain anyone who still has questions about the quotient rule. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.